Imagine losing all your savings in a single click. Scammers are getting more tricky in 2024, and one mistake could cost you everything. Watch this video to learn how to protect your money and stay safe. Method 1. Online job opportunities. Hackers lure people with enticing job offers and high salaries. They create eye-catching ads that prompt users to share personal information. They then convince users to download a custom app, which is actually malware. Installing this app gives hackers access to your phone and sensitive data like bank details. Even banks may struggle to recover stolen funds once scammers have this information. Method 2. Online shopping scams. For online shopping lovers, hackers offer amazing deals like $1,200 to $1,500 products for just $30–50. They use tricks like stock clearance, direct factory sales, or festival promotions to attract victims. To deceive further, they show fake large social media followings. Once a purchase is made, customers get a tracking number, but delivery takes 30 to 45 days. When the package arrives, it contains a cheap $1 product. After this, the ads disappear, leaving the victims scammed. Method 3. Text message scams. Text message scams are on the rise, causing people to lose their savings. Scammers send urgent messages like, "Your iPhone is ready for pickup," or "Tax office requires immediate action." They may even claim a parcel is waiting. These messages have a clickable link leading to a fake website that looks real. Once victims enter their details and confirm an OTP, they unknowingly give everything to the scammers. As you can see, a single click can result in the loss of years' worth of savings, important files, and personal data. In the vast universe of the internet, nothing is truly free. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video to help protect your friends, family, and relatives from these scams. Stay safe and stay aware.